Tibetans have never been so united as we are today. Because of our unity, the Chinese government stands no chance in crushing us, and it is our unity that will outlive the corrupt capitalist government of China run by Hu Jintao.
You would be well aware, dear listener, that in the last day or so another Tibetan monk self-immolated.
His Holiness's approach and the approach of the Tibetan people is non-violence. Our non-violence is the one that is sustaining the struggle. Our non-violence is the one that will lead the struggle to a successful return of His Holiness the Dalai Lama to Tibet and the reunification of the Tibetan people inside and outside, and most importantly, it will help China and the Chinese people find liberation from the dictatorial regime that is now run by Hu Jintao and his consorts. The Chinese government stands no chance in continue to maintain this kind of rigid capitalist, corrupt and capitalist government. They stand no chance in continuing, and this must end.